Hello my lovely students, how are you today? Today our lesson about how will I communicate. Open page number 199 in Discover book. Let's start. How will I communicate? Imagine you have access to all four types of communication pictured. Match the communication technology you are most likely to use with each scenario. There may be more than one correct answer. Let's start. Number 1. You want to invite a friend to come over to play. Which picture? Excellent. Picture number 2. Number 2. You want to wish your grandma a happy birthday. Which picture? Yes, picture number 1. Number 3. You want to tell a friend who lives far away about your day. Which picture? Yes, picture number 4. Number 4. You want to place an order for a cake at the bakery. Which picture? Excellent. Picture number 3. Turn the page. Strong or weak. Circle the passwords that are strong passwords. Write to explain one of your choices. Okay, my students, to make strong password, we have to follow these rules. Number 1. It has to be longer than 8 characters. Number 2. It has to include numbers and letters. Number 3. It has to include symbols such as these. Number 2. Which passwords are strong? Excellent. Password number 2 and number 3 and number 6. But the strongest one is number 6. Why? Number 6. Because it is longer than 8 characters. Number 2. Because it includes numbers and letters and includes symbols. Turn the page. Let's read together. Making a strong password. Read over the password criteria. Work as a group to turn a word you can remember into a strong password. Okay, my students, let's try to make a strong password. Number 1. Names or letter. For example, EBRFS. Number 2. Word ideas. For example, kid, Noura, cat. Okay, number 3. Numbers ideas. For example, 3, 5, 1, 6, 2. Number 4. Symbol ideas. For example, at, hash, plus, exclamation mark. Okay. Number 2. Word or letters to start our password. Here you can choose any word. I choose, for example, kid. Okay. Our password is kid 1 2 at SB3 plus. Okay. According to our password, number 1. The password has 8 or more characters. Yes, put circle. Number 2. The password has numbers. Yes, put circle. Number 3. The password has symbols. Yes, put circle. Turn the page. Being responsible online. Write a note to a student in primary 1 explaining how you can communicate responsibly online. Okay, what we have to do to stay safe online? Excellent. You must keep your strong passwords secret. Number 2. Your password should be longer than 8 characters. Number 3. You should tell your parents if strangers try to communicate with you. Number 4. Your password should include numbers, letters, and at least one symbol. Turn the page. Morse code. What is the meaning of Morse code? It's code of telegraph, which is one of old communication tools. Again, Morse code. It's code of telegraph, which is one of old communication tools. Okay, this is Morse code. My students, let's decode these words together. Number 1. This is the Morse code of letter D. And this is the Morse code of letter O. And this is the Morse code of letter G. These form the word dog. Okay, number 2. From the Morse code, these form the word excellent, cat. Number 3. From the Morse code, these form the word excellent, kid. Okay, can you write your name in Morse code? Here, write your name in Morse code. I write Ali in Morse code, for example. Turn the page. Secret light message. Complete the statement to communicate a secret message using light. Okay, let's imagine that we will communicate using flashlight. I will ask you a question. If the answer is yes, turn the light off and on 2 times. And if the answer is no, turn the light off and on 3 times. Okay? Again, turn the light off and on 2 times means the answer is yes. And turn light off and on 3 times means the answer is no. Turn the page. Light scavenger hunt. Test how objects around the room interact with light. Record your results. Number 1. 2 objects that allow light to pass through are excellent. Number 1, eyeglasses. Number 2, glass cup. Okay. Question number 2. 2 objects that block light are. What's the meaning of block light? The light that cannot be seen through an object. Again, 2 objects that block light are. Yes, door and book. Number 3. 2 objects that redirect or reflect the light are. Yes, mirror and window. My students, what is the meaning of block light? Excellent. The light that cannot be seen through an object. Number 2. What is the meaning of reflected light? Excellent. The light that redirects when it falls on. Okay, my lovely students, we have finished our lesson today. See you next lesson. Goodbye.